Random things I got off Amazon part, who even knows? Keyboard that I'm actually obsessed with, and it's the prettiest shade of green, and it actually like makes me want to do work and like get things accomplished for the day. This little invention is called Flick, and it is perfect for my road rage drivers out there. You know, when you get so mad behind the wheel, stick it anywhere to your car. So I made it like a third little blinker. And then when someone angers you, you can just flip them off, or you can wave if you're feeling that too. And part just sticks to your back window. Everyone could use a good dad joke in your life. You know it's true. So you just press this little buzzer and boom.
I asked my wife if I was the only one she'd been with. She said yes. All the others had been 9s and 10s.
I was not expecting that. Next is this amazing backpack because it's multi-purpose. We love that, but it has a little charger in it. So whenever you're like walking to school and your phone's dead, you can just plug it into your backpack. All I'm saying is, where's this been my whole life? For those of us who are super dehydrated because, you know, we always forget to drink water. Called the Liquid IV, and you just pour it into your water and it'll give you like double, triple amount of hydration. I actually think it tastes really good, but you know, drink your water, children. My seasonal depression lamp, because my room is so dark and sad in the winter, especially when the sun goes down so early, and this just lights up your whole room so you can be like more productive, I think. Okay, bye.